explorers! Welcome to another exciting adventure, and today, we're going to dive into the colorful and fascinating world of birds. Are you ready to spread your wings and learn some amazing facts? Let's soar into the fun. Before we embark on our feathered journey, let's talk about the basics. Birds are incredible creatures that come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. They have feathers, beaks, and lay eggs. Can you think of a bird you've seen before? Maybe a robin, or a colorful parrot? There are so many different types of birds around the world. From tiny hummingbirds to giant ostriches, each bird has unique features that help them survive. Some birds are great at flying, like eagles and falcons, while others, like penguins, are expert swimmers. What's your favorite bird? Now, let's talk about something special: feathers. Feathers help birds fly through the sky. They come in various shapes and colors. Can you imagine what it would be like to have feathers and soar high above the treetops? Birds are the true masters of the sky. Have you ever listened to the sweet melodies of birds singing? Birds communicate with each other through songs and calls. Each species has its own unique sound. Let's listen to a few bird sounds together. Isn't nature's symphony amazing? Birds build nests to keep their eggs safe. Nests can be made from twigs, leaves, and even mud. Inside these nests, birds lay eggs, and soon after, adorable chicks hatch. It's like a cozy home for our feathered friends. What kind of nest do you think your favorite bird would build? Time for some fun facts. Did you know that the hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward? And the ostrich is the largest bird in the world, but it can't fly. Birds are full of surprises and incredible abilities. Well, young explorers, I hope you had a blast learning about birds with us today. Birds are truly remarkable creatures, and there's so much more to discover. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss our next exciting journey. Until next time, keep exploring and spreading your wings. Bye-bye.